2 equal to omega 2 distance from 1 2 to 2 6. So if you measure this distance, multiply by omega, you will directly get the velocity of 2 6, which is velocity of f. You will get the answer, but when you will get the answer? You will get the answer only when you get 0.26. Once you get the 0.26, measure the distance from wherever is 26 to this point. And then multiply that by omega, will give you the answer. So now our job is to find out where is O26. And for that we are coming to the Kennedy circle. So I'll just remove this and we'll work out about O26 over here. So now our next job is to find out O26. So if I join this 2 to 6, you will find that there is no such path available for completing this 2 6. So before 2 6, let us try to find out 2 5. You already know. So try to find out O25. How do you find out O25? It is 2 3 and 3 5. 2 3 and 3 5. The other is 1 2 and 1 5. So 2 3 3 5 1 2 1 5. So where is 2 3 and 3 5? 2 3 and 3 5 this line. And 1 2 1 5. Now where is 1 2? 1 2 is here and 1 5 is here. So let us join them. So if I join this 1 2 to 1 5, this is the intersection, and that is point number. Here there is point O25. So this is O25. So we obtain O25 here. And once you know O25, you make it dark. Now let us think of 2 6. So O26. How do you get O26? So 1 2 and 1 6. 1 2 and 1 6. Then 2 5 and 5 6. 2 5 and 5 6. So 1 2 and 1 6 you have to join. Now 1 2 is here. Where is 1 6? 1 6 is at infinity there. So from this you draw a line passing from 1 2. So it will be a line which you will be drawing like this. This line has come from 1 6 and it is passing from 1. The other line is 2 5 5 6. So there is 2 5 here and there is 5 6 here. So join these 2 points. So when I join these 2 points, the line is joining 2 5 and 5 6 is drawn like this, and it is intersecting here. Therefore, point what we wanted, O26 is here. So we have obtained the point O26 which we wanted. And once you know this point, now you can measure the distance, multiply the distance by omega 2, and that is going to give you the velocity of f, which is supposed to be same as what you have calculated earlier. Now first thing, before you do all this, the first thing you will notice that we are correct. Why we are correct you can guess, because this point has come here. Now this distance is like this and this is horizontal. Now r is horizontal, omega 5 is like this, omega 2 is like this. That means the velocity will come upwards. And you know velocity has already come upwards and it is upwards. So the very fact that O26 is on this horizontal line and on the left of O12, because it is rotating clockwise, O26 velocity will automatically go up, which is matching with what our guessing is. So once you do that, now you measure the distance, multiply by omega 2, this is same as omega 2, you will get velocity of O26 as the answer. Now this answer you find out whether it is same as what you have found out earlier. So these two things should be same with some error. 5%. 5% error, drafting error will come. Otherwise, these two answers are same. And we have solved this particular exercise by step-by-step method also and direct method also. If you are asked to find out just this much, then you don't have to do all what you have done earlier. Only go on finding out the required ICs till you get the required 0.26, and once you get 26, then 26 into distance, another 12226 into omega, that will give you the velocity. So this velocity is here. Now what is the meaning of all that? We already discussed that earlier. 26 is a point which is on link 2 also and on link 6 also. So its velocity, if you take that it is on 2, this is the velocity if 26 is considered to be on link number 2. And once you get the answer, now you say that 26 belongs to 6 also. And since 6 has got only one type of velocity, all the points on 6, they are having same velocity like this. That is the velocity of slider itself. So you can say that this is the velocity of slider. So this is how we solve the problems. We find out the answers of different parameters by making use of instantaneous center method. So when you solve the problem, see that you draw this kinetic circle and you write these steps also, how you have found out different ICs that are required for solving the problem. Okay, so note this down very well.